Hi J1s, in exactly 1 year from now, you'll be taking your A-level examinations. Now, when you enter the exam hall, what kind of feeling do you want to feel? Do you want to be like student A, whereby you look at the paper, you feel confident, every single question seems to be something that you've done before? Or would you like to feel like student B, finishes the paper, has some doubts, I think that I could have done better if I prepared better. So at ETG, we'll teach you the ETG way and help you to become like student A. Beyond just teaching economics, we actually help you strategize your entire A-level journey. In term 1, we're going to teach you macroeconomics concepts in a way that's easy to understand. In term 2, you start to focus more on essay writing skills, how to write high-scoring essays, how to develop good structures for your essays, and you will also learn case study application techniques to prepare for your upcoming mid-year examinations. In term 3, we switch gears towards more intensive revision. We also teach you to write high-level evaluations. And lastly, in term 4, you will start to feel like you can recognize a lot of patterns in terms of the questions that comes out for the exams, as well as how to think like an examiner. Now, at ETG, the resources that our students receive has been carefully crafted over the last 18 years bit by bit. Every term you receive a new textbook that looks like this. They're all freshly updated with the latest examples. These are merely some of the materials that our students receive. Now, you'll not be able to find resources like this out there. You get them as a registered ETG student. And you're never going to feel alone at ETG. Stuck with an exam question at 11 p.m, drop us a WhatsApp message. Need feedback on essays or case studies that you've written? Get help with our weekly graded homework program, and you're going to get customized feedback on your work. Now, our priority registration is ongoing right now, and if you register during our priority registration phase, you'll get to lock in JC1 rates even though you're going to be JC2. You'll also get our essay and CSQ booster program entirely for free, so you can get started on these lessons right now. When you register with a friend for our priority registration phase, both of you will get access to our March Holiday Topical Consolidation Crash Course 8 lessons for free. I've taught more than 4,000 students since 2007, and many of them who got an A started early. Our priority registration will end soon, so register for your preferred timings as soon as you can, and I'll see you in class.